आमच्या ह्या बसवरान हे सगळे केबल बी म्हणून धरून लोकांक खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा. आमच्या कसेम पालयम तशें जाता फुडें नाशोला कुंबुरफा हे सगळ्या भागान हे स्केपिंग काम केल्लें आसा. गरजेचें काम तें, पूण आयज लोकांक खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसा. आमचे कम्युनिटर्स आमच्या लोकांक आनी आमचे सगळेच 5 मेंबर, आमचे सरपंच आशिल्लो तशें आमचे सरपंच रिया एक्स सरपंच सावियो आनी तशें खूब सगळे मेंबर इवन आयल्यान सांगले सर हाजे बद्दल कितें करपाक जाय. So immediately I contacted the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is also the PW Minister, and I sang this is a situation which is very bad and we need to attend to this immediately. So Tanen immediately direction dile to the department estimates Korchaman. All the full estimates should be prepared directly by the department. So all this thing is already in process. All estimates already almost I think the verge of completion. And Dorun, Muja Parman, it will take at least 6 months, at least before the next rains will ensure that all these roads which cabling has been done, which have been neglected, left where people have fallen, broken their legs, fractured everything, all this after constant follow-up with Honorable Chief Minister and after direction, things will happen in another 6 months, I feel, surely before the monsoons, the coming monsoons.